ne omo from say Cote d'Ivoire and at the pim so awo eye playoff no because of say Nations Cup ne dey man dey near film but na akase yebetimi abo eye sa hard way dey fi ho na say afi the intercontinental playoff no yebetimi akọ na yakọ akọbọ bi ana eno ne dey game hyehyɛ so no yɛhyɛ Cote d'Ivoire fo yi ɛka mienu ama omote ka no enso eye baako asisi ameka say dey your dreams say yebetimi akọ World Cup no still na kakra ho do say ohedani na wa but minim say kakra November 8 December I babo first door now for you did the last one which is a year nyame aduma the final phase you know in February 2027 no and also you betimi enso room na bibia akoye adiama na yebo game ni wie no coach came last yente kakra na fe yemfa emedin community emfa mama.
The message is that you can see a hard-working group with many young good players that they is going to be better and better for sure. We gave us the chance today to still make the World Cup. The next phase I think it will be in November, December or something like that, and so we will have a lot of time to make sure that we're in a little bit better form than we have been. Even if we work hard and did our best, it's a lot of time to make sure that we are even better in.
Okay, and coach him last voice no mun said that now papa but so utie coach na o se na ni ajepa because of say before eno na yebobo game ni ni na issues na awo a team the camp Nhyira no raise a lot of concerns ama say no mba kai cry be hihiremu enso de maba wose ni nyina mu no asake Nhyira no apa amonso no ekomu ewodumadi no omo etimadi nkunim 2-1 eno nso omo ede komani no se ese onim se nyame ya adoma omo kobobo omo ho na November December omo the first adon no ade ahihya so ne mpai ni na ere se omo betimi awuram na ma boni na Ghana so for 20 years ni a yentimi amo World Cup no yenso yentimi qualify na akwakobo World Cup no enso ebi abobia eno nso ho nsem no eno na Princess Mafo ono na share goal baako edema eyemba ono nso no after the game or in some kakra de tuja yentie eye Princess Mafo na me sha say emfa emfree eye oho.
First of all, I'm glad we ended on this note. It was very important that we did give ourselves a good performance to keep the fans and the family. They believe. Obviously, we put in hard work. It was a teamwork, and you could see on the field. Yeah. We followed the game plan as our coach gave us, and we came to work as a team because we had everything to lose and everything to gain, and then we just stuck to the game plan, and individual qualities also played a part. That we keep going and we keep getting the support and the encouragement, and then we keep making Ghana proud and individual.
Okay, into Princess, I don't know. I said the coach Chum so Mko Park so no and now Mkoko ye na fe individually. Players and the so wa mbetimi dia boa ama ye tini na kabom na yenya ye victory na no mke kandibo ma nyame adom enra omo ahye ye Cote d'Ivoire kamenu a womo ete eka no enso eye baako nti sesei nyame adom intercontinental playoff no Ghana enso yewrem but Jude it looks like round na dey kono wa too much and open na me hwa na say ade no wa too much and ye here a performance na say dey be count anya say qualification to the World Cup no ahwe bed pa
Rich medas minia unim enra unfortunately game na mu die ye ne Cote d'Ivoire no na me free me doctor wa mkokodru fie no na emreko for some reasons me chai but me kodru na yabo game na wi na yese game na sing na obi ana me hospital no still na me monitor me who say Cote d'Ivoire for share early go na me say enia ayeka I mean, we say Yamaba no they put up a spirited performance to ensure say at least ye betimi akoye nim yes for the AFCON trophy ne dey elude ye encounter but then the route I the be World Cup ne dey still ye was a route no ma ye free mu entina no ne ade a na eye me de na Rich ansa na ye be chirechire mu say ye esitie no Rich ni ma de ba ko me feel say both young man and the sports ministry and the FA. A critical stage near Babidru. Nim so be gia tuma. Dear Ababidru near say all hands on deck. Me honestly, your idea be on say a man ankasa your tima special be the mom. Inti Ayana said the Ayana mema no issue be by a handle no. Sometimes a bit different. Because me in person, time na me who the first communicate man cry issue you know. I felt it wasn't right. Only the India. Rich, ya call AFCON, ya pese qualify call World Cup. Malawi, ashe ya. Yenimsi free mu entirely. There's still a way out. I was expecting say anka the first communique ananka ebeba abontene no. E communique krana anka omo eba be render apology. Patriotic ase.
Omo pe Ghana for acho.
Omo pe Ghana for acho.
Say omo entimi anko omo ni mo competition ni mo. Nanka the next thing is so yapa macho awie no. The next thing is ya be yiri ahone qualify ko World Cup.
French be say voila mo enti ano ni ade a nanka me expect say omo be.
But what here man here? Almost to say this was the right time. No me we are seeing na hu dia because back door omo ya obi enti omo. And this is the time e bi omo campaign for biti omo.
Me nua me da say asem ye de mu nchire mu beba. Obo say e bi ade omo ka no enti sa holy. But said your impression say oh a by issue of ye ma ball na I say ye ma match paramount enko so priority no any honom sa enti da bia na asem panyimfo hu ebufu o sa side no enti e ma ne ba be kan sempe omo kan na ye fa no and na ye hwe situation no analyze the pepe because Rich Shade bi o ye hwe sa picture yi Blasters any akọ AFCON any akọ AFCON and a Rich at the quarter final stage ya say ye pese qualify for World Cup ye free mu si entimi ko World Cup but AFCON need ye free mu Rich has a scenario no now right after the game the following day communicate a free almost ye e buy no about almost sikasem Rich Pache enka no credential say anka den na media ne beka den anka Ghana for beka
no ke be twa mo mba
san ke be twa mo aha dentia eye emema no ye beka say na omo pesikasem tina make say ye nua man no na nka the first time me expect say also omo ye ne say also omo di kan pagana for acho say mo mfa nche say ba bia na osie kodru no yankwa nkodru Rich anumpo ne mo pa we issue sa communicate na ho na akwa no omfa sikasem mo o tire me hwe na say pagana for acho teso after a day or two eno akwa da wie no ansana problem bi o ho physical sem mpo no mo address it secondly omo kata no me hu ade bi o ma me mo se me na me ma je se medidi hu nkomo nso na ma hwade because ye pese qualify the World Cup e be chire mu manya kwa nchire playoff ni mu yempo a o so be mpa Ayala e be to aso nti problem no retunim me ka omo kata na apart from sikasem no ade a me hu ya me mo se me e wo se me ya adwene koso ne ahu adwuma yiye ni talk about say mental rehabilitation meboa she won say one young man naturally am I fragile
omomre
mebo answer na ati directors
obo move from sikasem. I want us to stay there for just 1 minute.
Okay,
Rich, go to ministry no statement na omo de abano. There's a portion of media to your platform. Now with the permission my main kind or say and we the first issue now Black Queens for the erase here about some outstanding bonuses including Egypt there no ministry no response in here and the government's current sports financing framework qualification for WAFCON through the home and away qualifying round does not attract separate qualification bonus.
Does not attract separate
Qualification bonus. Enti the abane person che wa ha nyina say a man ko ball Egypt home and away no. Ama ma qualify elko AFCON no. Say ya qualifying enti no mo man qualification bonus no. Abane person mo say under the current sports financing model on my yeno. And tisa mewa. Government, however, meets the approved costs associated with the national team's participation in the qualification process, including per diems and other approved operations. Now, this is where the government, then after the Omakanso qualification bonus, went to hide under technicalities. The last one was say there was no government approval. There was no government approval for the payment of winning bonuses for the WAFCON qualifying matches against Egypt. Now my point is in your first statement, also untia qualification bonus. Then because I don't know more financing model as say model running muntia qualification bonus for WAFCON. Then you come in the second statement to say government ain't approval to pay winning bonuses for home and away now. Black Queens for the qualifier. Are they now trying to tell us say home and away against Egypt? Why won't you winning bonus? Why won't you qualification bonus?
Just arguing on me. Is
that what they are trying to say?
And last year to on ball Afcon, a man Afcon. Almost a that's which most of the time ben on guy.
Wait, you quite a fatu baby. Ain't Chebiano. Black Stars ever ball against Ivory Coast for a man Afcon, right? Okay. So if we read under government current sports financial framework, does it mean say Black Stars ever ball tournament ever ball Afcon qualifiers in Nhyira? Yeah, more qualification bonus me wa. Fine. Yeah, they are number 2 on them. Say every qualifier be a Black Stars be bono. And also attract it winning bonus sana. Aye man inti na aye sana. Rich, why ne di Ghana football echi? Why ne di Ghana national teams echi? Onim say national team kobo qualifiers na o winia. The team is entitled to winning bonus. Why name him? Time Ben as had the necessary. I am Black Queens in Tina assassin. And I say, for crime so na ubu manu bukatentina who casasem we are. Why would the wine or share or say only the onim say your national team equable qualifiers. No omu winia, your momu winning bonus. Now you see, I don't want to hide behind argument say okay budgeter GFA did buy any budget that was approved no now winning bonus woman I say winning bonus in rich say me as Accra the fact that my parents are having a quarrel and I say omu enye due diligence doesn't mean my school fees must not be paid. I say me what I say me Accra na say at a point in time in my life me papa ekwa and just my school fees unjia. Obia organ be him. Say Uber qualifies as national team. And we are talking about the senior women's national team. Omubono winning match now. They are entitled to winning bonus. Now we also winning bonus. Kabo mu qualification bonus also unjia. The first meeting and the only meeting Honorable Kofi Idi Adams. Ekosra maba wano. Tama no mo prepare for South Korea Kobo ye. Remember one I say and I know I mentioned it. Say no, yeah, qualify ni Kobo of Konintila Wabahano. Now you qualify and 2 game. Yes, Egypt away. Yes, you do home. Yet my bonus be out. Yo, ye didn't Juma Mobati Yanka. Only to come out with this statement and say they won't qualification bonus. Almost all money entitled to winning bonus. My question I be say since when did Ghana national teams played qualifiers for free?
That's a move. Jude, yeah.
Yes, and Ukraine won't say Hanum and money challenging because na me can about all mental health no. Dear Misroni, o share and path na say na yam ranch mu ensimpo a free na ye beto e bo akere mu ye na rich.
They say cafe in South Africa
and South Africa and a very represented.
So now, 6 teams, 2 from CAF, 2 from Asia, 1 from Oceania, and 1 from South America. Yes. na ya chom no mabo we are the last two
no more sanko
no omakwakobo the next head on which is
perfect
in February
entino rich unimade meme issue se emano ya anya bibi amomo anya comfortable yie pa ya momo anya comfortable na de omu hia bia ya anya rich there is danger looming because omu ntese mema no already omu anka so omu sika sem na mu no etesei sika na mu no etesei utie sika na mu tesei because I can tell you as a matter of fact onim say omu last wife kono omu coin no ye wie no $4,000 each $4,000 each and omu ye de mo omu ma shede di nkoma akọ sports ministry honum now $4,000 each no na mpanyimfo kire mu akire me say and no said they won one, drew one, and lost one. But almost sure almost me drew medal zone now. You bet you almost mom. And each person was given $4,000. Rich, maybe your blasters win the game where mom say. Yes, AB argument. Rebecca said the mileage are blasters, Edema. I agree. But they no share disparity now. And you too huge, Rich. And to almost kakra nemsu koko say ya. A bit challenging. So make us say yenti sadi and say said a ma naturally a city. A dear ha ma omu behavior no. A debate me ha bema. Met me go through a lot of challenges. But Richard Made, me betina no ma. Me ye adwuma ne pepepe obi ehun say me go through a lot of challenges. But Richard Made, the moment I dey steady, frustrate you partner kakra bi. Manimfa or how kakra bi mu. Obi ehun nipa no obehu say and so you dealing with the issue of a manner. We must be extremely careful to ensure say you ain't mistake bia cause baby edruno omu here they needed concentration omu here distractions bia enti e besre aban me efe de ma tu so say e go falls for no so e ma musika but me check say currently kg of for no mo audit efe for no enti for now efe ni ntimi issue sika but omu call Dubai ne dia omu pre-season me say pre-season friendly no mo boy no eno na efe no sika also omu etua de mo
pink up no
yes eno de omu etua sa sika no but after KG auditing no ansa na de also for the mo no go force for the mo no ansa na sa sika no etimi etua nti on the part of efe ne there that is a situation I will blame you omu enyi ti rich your best yes
but from start time to November there says it may resolve issue.
No, of course, it has to be resolved. It ought to be resolved. And
ebedu November no. Na mana sa de kata ababontin claiming say omusika 70 at the end
they don't deserve to go through
too much.
Because Adam Ketcher say emergency rich wonu aba na obobo. Yenim se de nyame ebo ma siesie ma. Bosume so yenim de e ma fam. Enti ebibo through pain no at a point na minim so more injection na minim sa asesa enti emergency se de nyame hye we de ne ma no bosumi aso e was said the all say epie na read because of Ghana who do also ye all those sacrifices
no bobo de man
no bobo de man
na sika se ma atwinchan
owie nso ne
ka ya man no so kwa na sa problem no
bi na kakra bi no
ya bo am I AFCON last year
before be phone line
too much
Orefi it turned into me being a one-man campaigner. Say, it doesn't make sense. And I don't normally speak on radio like that. It doesn't make any sense. Say, Abayembe Yineni not to absorb Black Queen's coach onto Abayembe role. But Yayama Blasters. Sasemwe, Enyamianka, I didn't say you ever me to you. But we started that one-man campaign. And obviously, the man or I have to call her. She was being paid by the FA and not buying as Ochia for Blasters coaches. Came last by the same thing. Until Yemubi mentioned it consistently. And I buy say, oh, and Omufano. Rich, and now I say 11 months in Chakiblaska. 11 good months.
Black Queens are casa there.
Nancy, I will not privilege information. Keblas met some of the FA officials. na someone say dia enka mo amko so atua meka because come on mu atua meka na eba every month scan yes
say kodi aban ho no
enyis kakesie bia about every month because na eba ninti no na mitimi ye menioma
yema
11 months yentua o meka
ochina ebenya time na because a man has a do I entry to me kra